Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. Today, we're exploring one of the hottest topics in the digital world, AI tools for making money online. And the star of our show? Copy AI, a game changer in 2024. So, let's decode what Copy AI is and why it's a must-have in your digital arsenal. First things first, what is Copy AI? It's a revolutionary AI-powered tool designed to transform the way we create content. Leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning, Copy AI automates the process of writing, from emails to blog posts, social media content to marketing copy. Gone are the days of staring at a blank page or struggling with writer's block. Copy AI is your personal writing assistant, churning out creative, original content in a matter of seconds. But what makes Copy AI stand out in the crowded field of AI writing tools? For starters, its versatility. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, entrepreneur, or freelancer, Copy AI adapts to your specific needs, offering tailored solutions for different writing styles and formats. Additionally, its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of their tech savviness. Plus, its constant updates in 2024 ensure that it stays ahead of the curve, integrating the latest AI advancements for even more refined and effective content generation. Now, let's talk business. How can Copy AI help you make money online? The possibilities are endless. Freelance writers can boost their productivity and take on more clients. Entrepreneurs and small business owners can create compelling marketing content without hiring a pricey copywriter. Bloggers and content creators can produce high-quality, SEO-friendly content at a fraction of the time. The efficiency and speed of Copy AI mean you can scale your ventures quicker and more effectively, translating to higher earnings and growth. Ready to jumpstart your journey with Copy AI? Here are some pro tips. First, clearly define your content goals. Copy AI is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. Second, always add your personal touch. AI can generate the base content, but your unique voice and insights make it stand out. And finally, keep experimenting. The more you use Copy AI, the more you'll discover its potential. To sum up, Copy AI is more than just a writing tool. It's a doorway to scaling your online presence and boosting your earnings in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Copy AI is definitely worth exploring. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.